Hey there, the team over at Vayepro sent over this non-stick griddle for me to test and try out, and so far I'm really liking it. It's made out of aluminum and it is safe to be used on both gas and electric stoves as well as your grill. It is not recommended for use on induction as it is aluminum and it won't magnetize to the induction burner. This does have two sides. You have your flat side of the griddle. And this is great. I used it for grilled cheese and I used it for some quesadilla style tacos that I made. It's also great for eggs. Then on the opposite end, you have this ridge side and it's gonna work well for steak and chicken. And even if you wanted to make some kind of panini sandwich on it, you've got the grid right here. It fit great across two burners on my stove. And washing this is super easy. With that non-stick, I cleaned it easily by hand with no issues. And if you wanted to, it is dishwasher safe. With it being a non-stick pan, I do not recommend using metal utensils on this. I would go with either plastic or wooden utensils to make sure it doesn't damage any of this coating on here. And in regards to weight, it is a nice medium weight, so it's not super heavy like cast iron can be. It's got a good weight to it. Non-stick, easy to care for. Guys, if you're looking for a new griddle, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good fit for you.